I'm there. So can you see my screen?
Yes.
So the sign up is up. So those who haven't seen it, this is the new sign up. Let me just start over, but let me just go to the beginning. I just had this already up. So it'll be signup.vbittech.com, but you'll be led here through your through the new Vbit mining shopping experience website. Like the new users will be led here through a button, or you could come in directly yourself.
Well, I think most people are not going to remember the website, but yeah, basically you still go to vbitmining.com/whatever your referral user is, and then just click the sign up button, and it leads you to the screen.
Yep. So you can sign up for yourself or for your company. You cannot sign up for someone else at this point. It's documented at the terms of agreement. We'll figure out how to help. But say that I'm signing up for myself. You have to, then you got to certify that check this button to certify that you are a real person. You got to use a valid email address, and you are at least 18 years old. And then you have this continue button. Now you can come here through the referral link. I'm just not using the referral link. If you're not using the referral link, not you, but the new member who's signing up. So you can look up the existing member. You can put the ID. I am not an affiliate right now due to a new policy. So if you're not an affiliate, so this is why it's important for you to sign up as an affiliate. Your affiliate link will not work. If I do this, it will say referral member ID is not valid, and my ID is valid. I'm just not currently an affiliate. So can somebody give me
just two Jins, 813-262.
262. So once you have something that is valid, it will let you continue, and then they'll ask you, "Are you sure?" At this point, you can edit it if you typoed it or you got the wrong person. But again, if you put in a wrong member ID that isn't already an affiliate, it will give it an error.
And just to point out, guys, if that prospect came in through your referral link, this would be already filled out for you, so you don't have to know the member ID number or anything like that.
Yep, correct. So you can have a referral link from several places. Let me see if I memorize this right. But this should be pre-built for you. So if this is your referral link, so this is Jin's referral link, and I go to myself and I certify it, I click next, this should be pre-filled. There it is. And they can't change it to avoid mistakes, so they came this way, they'll come out this way. But if the referral link is, if this is not a valid ID, then they have the option to choose to fix it or to put something else here. So it must be a valid ID. Then you certify it again that you're signing for yourself. Then you got to put your legal first name, legal last name, and again, I recommend to use your real information right now, because you will have to use your real information sooner versus later when we have to verify your info. So let's say I'm putting my information, and if the system works, it will not let me sign up because you cannot use an address that is already. I'm gonna use my demo email. So yeah, don't email me here, guys. This is a demo account. I'm not even looking at it. It is real, but it's mostly used for demos. You got to put in your birth date. Again, try to use your real information. Just for the sake of speed, I'm going to put in something really fast. Country. The nice part about it is you don't have to scroll down. It is listed in alphabetical order. You can search for it. Countries are not abbreviated, so you have to spell it out to search, like the United States. I'll put in my number. I don't know what. Actually, I don't need to put a real number right now because we don't require a real number yet. And then I'll put in the address.
And just to point out, guys, please, you have to use your real information here because we are working on implementing KYC. It is, going to be a new legal requirement of our company pretty soon. So that's why we are already working on the KYC systems. And if you use, like fake information to sign up or anything like that, once we roll out the KYC and you are not able to meet the KYC requirements or submit the proper, government documentation to prove, like it is you and stuff like that, the account will be locked, and there won't be any exceptions to kind of like roll it into another account or anything like that. You will lose the access to this account, and you will not get a refund for any purchases or anything inside of the account, because it is a legal requirement that we have to comply with. So please, to avoid all of the headache, please use your real information.
Yes. So when looking for state, same thing. You can search for state, or you can scroll down. There's no abbreviation here, so I'm gonna put Pennsylvania to search for Pennsylvania, and I got Pennsylvania city. I'm just gonna put Phila and 46. So if I use, let me see if I can use information that is already, I'm gonna use something that's already used or disqualified. So here it goes. If you're using an email address that's already in the system, it would warn you that this has already been used. You got to pick a different one. So that's just a quick demo to show you guys that. Okay. Did I already have one? Let me try to use a different one. I don't think this is used. Okay. So in order to make sure that your email address is a valid email address, before we let you create your password, the system will send a code to your email address for you to valid. So you got to go to you got to check your inbox, your spam. It might be in your spam folder. Let me look for mine. Actually, I don't think this email address is working anymore. I just checked my inbox. My last email was from October for some reason. Let me try IT. That's already been used. Anyone has has an email that has not already been used? Don, do you have one that's not been used that you have access to? This is where the system is working too well. It's not letting me use any of the email address that has already been used at one point or another. I gotta pick something, and it has to be real. That's the thing. I can't fake this.
Okay. How about let's try too fast to kill 1@gmail.com.
Too fast. Two, the number 2, or
no? So 2TOO fast, the number 2, kill the number 1 @gmail.com.
Killing that?
No. KILL and then the number 1.
Okay, let's see if this works.
So that
email address.
What? I just okay. So I already.
Let me put. I think I got one. The thing is, I'm not.
All right, try Vbit auto rebuy @gmail.com.
Vbit auto rebuy at gmail.com.
Okay, there we go.
So whenever you get the code, if you have access to it, then can verify it.
Yep. Yep, got it. 184304.
So guys, so you can see that you got to use an email address that has not been used. And this is the way that we verify that it's that email that you don't have a typo. Because if you typoed it or it went to spam, you won't get this code. And when it's done, you get a checkbox. Now the mobile number, I made it up, but it's optional. You don't have to verify it at this time. You can just click next and skip it. Obviously, I won't get the code because it's a fake number, so I'm gonna skip it. Then I'm gonna choose my password. So at this point, we're getting through. I'm gonna pick something. Let's see, one uppercase. I'm gonna pick shoot. I need to pick something that I can memorize. I got to copy and paste this, guys. So we need one uppercase. So VB1T demo. I'm gonna put a 0. Do I have 8 characters? Yes. And there's I here in case you want to double check. If you really want to double check what you type down, and you certify that you agree to the user agreement and privacy policy, then click next. Then you gotta choose your username. This is your username that you're gonna use for your affiliate link. This is not your username for you to log in. We're still deciding on whether or not we want to make that your username to log in. There's a conversation with security and usability. So once we figure that out, but for now, we decided that at least this will be your display name that is public, that you can share with other people in your link. So this link here, this is the member ID, right? You could put the name you choose. You can replace that with that instead. So you check for availability. We pre-fill it with something that's already available. If you don't like it, you put whatever you want. You cannot pick a name that's already in use. So if somebody already got your name, they beat you to it, you got to pick something else. So check availability. It's good. Save and continue. And that's going to be your username. And now I have to remember to make sure I ask our developers to remove this account. But this is actually safe in the actual live, guys. So please don't use this because we're gonna have to remove it to now because nothing is all integrated yet. So we don't want to create a mess to clean up. But for demo purposes, that's it. You get to this, and then you can click on this to go back to the mining site. The mining site is currently under construction, but just I'm gonna click on it just to show you. So it goes to Vbit mining, and it takes you back to the takes you back here. When this is done, you should see a whole new experience that's integrated.